Good morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur and I am going to teach you English language in your 5th class. And today let's start with an essay. In your first term, there are 2 essays, discipline and the second one is importance of newspaper. Importance of newspaper is already sent to you, and now today I am going to teach you second essay. The name of essay is discipline. So let's start. As all of you know, discipline plays a very important role in our life. Without discipline, we are just like a ship without rudder. So, I request all of you to follow the discipline or be in discipline at your home as well as in your school. So, let's start. First, I'm going to read first paragraph and explain to you, then second, then third. Discipline is the key to success in every field of activity, be it human or divine. Means discipline is the key to success. It is the way to success in every field, whether it is related to humans or inhuman, means divine, above the human. Discipline means developing the habit of self-control and obedience to certain rules and regulations. What it means? Means developing the habit of self-control. Live your life in a controlled manner and obey the rule regulations according to the area, boundary or a place. Many people have the wrong idea of discipline. They believe that discipline means a check on their freedom. Some people believe that it is just a obstacle in their way. It is just a check on their freedom. It interrupts their freedom. But actually nothing like that. It is in reality just the opposite of it. Discipline is not a boundary. Discipline is not a check on our freedom. It is a good habit to develop in your life. So this is first paragraph, and next one, second paragraph of your essay discipline is: a man without discipline is like a ship without a rudder. A man without discipline is like a ship without rudder. No ship is able to move without a rudder. Just as a ship without rudder is at the mercy of waves, means when no rudder is there, no one is there to move the ship, then ship depends upon only the mercy of waves. Where waves go, ship follow the way. An indisciplined man's life is also directionless, same like that ship which is without rudder. A man who is not a indisciplined man's life is also like that ship, means directionless. All the nature forces also follow some discipline. As we live in a nature, we see everything happens in a disciplined manner. The stars and planets follow their own fixed movements. Means, did you see stars at the daytime? No, they just visible to us in night. They have their fixed movements. If these heavenly bodies do not follow discipline, there will be total destruction of universe. Means if these heavenly bodies do not follow the discipline, then there will be destruction of the universe. Planets collide with each other. Next, third paragraph. Discipline is necessary for the progress of an individual as well as nation. Means discipline is necessary for the progress of individual as well as nation also. It is important for students. It is most important for students for armed forces in defending the boundaries of country. If armed forces didn't follow the discipline, how they defend their country? So it is must for them and for office goers and laborers in taking the country on the path of progress. And the office goers who daily go to office, laborers who daily go to their jobs, it is must for them to follow the discipline. If they reach at wrong time if they are not punctual, then how they help the country to be in a progressive way. We cannot even dream of a life without discipline. Discipline ensures a peaceful and durable life. Discipline gives the assurance for a peaceful and a durable life, long life. So discipline is as necessary for us as oxygen. So what at the end I'm going to conclude this essay with the line that discipline is as necessary for us as oxygen. So this is all in your essay discipline. Write each and every line carefully on your copy and understand all three paragraphs and learn it carefully. Prepare yourself for exams. Thank you.